Asakusa. I've been excited about this for this past week. If you guys clicked on this video, you guys know I am going to stay in a capsule hotel. I always wanted to stay in one. Even living in England, it's like the number one like unique thing about, I guess, Asia now, but it started in Japan. Yeah, capsule hotel. I mean, I know what to expect, but it's my first time. I'm actually excited. Let's go find it though. It's raining outside. Japan started building those screen map things all around Tokyo, all around the city in preparation of the Olympics. That's not gonna happen. It's crazy. It's crazy to think that can just change like that. Am I at the right? I'm actually at Asakusa. I chose this place just because, you know, I've been to Shinjuku, I've been to Shibuya, I've been to Harajuku. There were a lot of capsule hotels within the city, but just wanted to try something new, go some new place. So I'm here right now. It's raining. Not that much, not that bad. Hold on, let me get Google Map for me. In Asakusa as well, there were like two of the same capsule hotels, the same company. I opted to choose this one, the one that I'm gonna stay in. It's a little bit off of Asakusa. It's a little bit outside of the traditional like tourist Asakusa where the big gate is. So I've actually never been to this part of Asakusa. It's very nice. I've never rode the train line that brought me here, so that was interesting. It was very, very deep underground. It don't look different. Asakusa is very full of culture and stuff that you can eat. Oh look, there's a market down there. I don't know if you guys can see it. There's a market down there. Once I check in, I might explore. And here it is. Oh, it's not that big. Well, it is a capsule hotel. It's not that big. Checked in. I got a key. It's a normal paper key. You got a QR code. That's how you get into your lockers. My room's 720. It's on the 7th floor. I got some rules sheets. Gonna get to my locker. If I explore this place, I'm going to check out the beds, the capsules. I might have to be quiet for this. So, oh god, you know what? It's not that bad. Okay, so I've checked. There's no one. Oh god. There's no one actually in right now. Understandable. I don't think I'm supposed to bring a bag in here, but I don't really know how to use this. So this is great. This place is freaking great. In the capsule, it's not that much. You got your bed, you got your pillow, you got your blanket for privacy. There you go, privacy. As for port-wise, you got a USB, light. Oh, that's not. You got your light, and then I don't know what this is. It's a standard plug. Very wide. I'm on the pillow at the edge of the top, and I'm not even reaching the thing. Like, although I am 170 centimeters. Do your math if you're in America. So I'm not that tall. I'm an average Japanese height, so it's perfect for a Japanese person, I guess. Okay, so that's not gonna fall, is it? Let's actually check out the amenities. We got a beautiful bag that you will have to return it when you check out. Pajamas, that's cool. Didn't know that was coming into that. You got a floor mat. Huh. Toothbrush, that's good. I actually did not bring my own. A face towel, nice long one, face towel, and a big bath towel. And of course the slippers, you get those too. So you get, I guess, the essentials that you need to stay for the night. So the capsule hotel that I'm staying in right now, it's called 9 Hours. Still have these on. It's called 9 Hours. I'm at the Asakusa branch, Asakusa hotel branch. First thoughts of the hotel, it's alright actually. It's good. I love the building. The building's very beautiful. How it's structured. So that's the building. Alright, you guys see it? The building is very beautiful. I love this kind of like this kind of deformed building. It's very beautiful in a way. So the concept of 9 hours is that you shower for 1 hour, you sleep for 7, and then you rest for another hour. 9 hours. So they literally want you to get in, sleep, and get out. So you can either stay, nap, that's for 1,000, from 1,000, and then shower for 700. Oh, you can just only use the shower. That's 700. And it's open 24 hours. That's great. It's great. Did not know that. Okay, I'm not gonna go inside the shower just yet because it's just 4. So let's just explore the hotel, the Capsule Hotel. You know what? I prefer the bunk underneath, just because it's way easier to get out. Okay, so our first lounge is right in front of the men's dorm. It has couches, beautiful glass table, and a sink. For what, I don't know, but there's a sink here. It's quite nice. It's gold. So this is on the 7th floor. The men's dorm is on the 7th floor. The men's capsule hotel dorm. I'm just gonna call it dorms. There's also a lounge on the 6th, and the desk, a desk area. So on the 8th, we're on the 7th. So I'm here at the gym right now. There's only 2 treadmill. Yes, yeah. I mean, you know, you're here for 9 hours. You're not gonna be working out like intensively. So running machine, that's enough, right? Also, you can see the I don't know if you can see it, it's right there. Hold on, it's right there. That's the Sensoji shrine. I can't say it. So this is the desk area. You got an L-shaped desk right here that goes all the way down there, and this one stops here. This is the only, I believe this is the only space other than the reception that the both male and female can use. Other than that, it's all separate. Elevator is also separate. Male can't go to the female's dorm, and the female can't go to the male dorm. It's just practical, basically. So just makes sense. You can see more because we are on the 8th floor. You can see more of the Sensoji Shrine right there. So yeah, that's basically it. I would go inside the female's room and show you guys, but I can't, so okay, I'm going to try out the shower just a little bit later, but now I gotta do some work, gotta do some editing. Maybe check out the cafe downstairs. That would be great. Actually, I would love a cup of coffee right now. Yeah, let's do that actually. Yes, go get a cup of coffee. The weird thing that you have to get used to here is that when you want to go out, you gotta go up to the 9th floor and then get this elevator to go out. The view's great though. The view's great. It's raining right now though. Okay, the cafe downstairs under the hotel was actually full. Well, it wasn't that full, but it was too full for COVID-19. Might actually see what the market's about. Maybe they have some food.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, for the record, for the record.
Alright, so turns out that street full of like lights, it was like full of izakaya, and I didn't know that. It was actually fun to see. Well, I mean, I was on the fence actually. I was actually debating with myself. It's great to see like stores, shops are open to people, and people are coming out and being themselves again. But then again, you know, 2020, and I mean, it's outside, so I guess it makes it better. I don't know shit. So seeing that, I thought, you know what, let's just get a quick meal and go back to the hotel, because I got a like beautiful, like already set up for me kind of lounge. So just have dinner, go back to the hotel and just work there, use the hotel to its fullest. So I'm just gonna get a quick dinner and go back to the hotel. Okay, so I ate dinner, I came back to the hotel. I found this room. It was on the 6th floor. Oh, it's basically the 6th floor's lounge, just like the one that we had on the 7th floor, but it's like a room. It's like one room. Like, look, this is just it. That's the entrance, and this is it. Like, it's just one room. Can't believe I found this. I'm gonna stay here just a little bit more. I'm gonna edit, do some work, and check out the shower later.
Now I got a up price on y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. A6 all the hate. I woke in the bar today. Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the ball.
So, as you can see, it's getting quite dark. It's already around 7:30. My back hurts. These seats without back, I don't know why they still exist. It's weird. So I'm ready to take a break. So let's go check out the shower. I'm dying to get a shower. And we'll probably come back here and work some more on the video. Like I said, I'm coming back here and I don't want to be packing my stuff again. So I'm gonna leave my stuff here in this room. Anybody and anyone can get access to. Let's take it. Let's take the risk and trust the Japanese. I'm gonna leave everything here. Ooh, I'm not about to pack all this stuff and then coming back up and then resetting everything. Ooh, no. Should be alright. Cross our fingers. Okay, I'm on my phone. Gonna leave all of this here. Be safe, guys. So let's see the shower. So it's like this, right? You got your sink, mirror, a big ass one, and a shower room. This is a standard shower room. It's not too big, not too small, just the perfect size. I guess this acts as a one whole bathroom, I guess. So I should be doing this guy right there.
Been a little too nice to y'all. Now I got a up price on y'all. Snake this for y'all. A6 all the hate. I won't get a ball today. Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the bars, I'm flipping the on record, off record. I still count wins when they got it. On record, off record. I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. On record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote. On record, off record. I still want the act, not the ghost. For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable.
Alright guys, the moment of truth. You guys are still here. Okay, so the pajamas is great. I love that the hotel provides you with one, but if they don't mind, which I'm assuming they don't, this place is a little bit hot, and long sleeves and long pants, it's not gonna cut it. So I am just gonna wear my own pajamas, which I brought. Just a normal t-shirt, nothing special. And this short pants. I'm just gonna cool me down just a tiny bit. Okay, that felt good. I've just finished editing and I am super tired today. First time in a Capsule hotel, and yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. It's been a great experience. I will try to find like more Capsule hotel that has more features in the Capsule, so I'm gonna make a video for tomorrow. Tomorrow's the Olympics, the real Olympic date, so I might head to the stadium, so look out for that video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Good night. Someone's out there. Alright, good night.